Okay, thank you for getting me here. Very happy, very excited that we're doing a few announcements today with regards to IBM storage. Before I get into the actual announcement, I want to touch upon a couple of things. So one is today, the customers are not really worried about storage so much as they're worried about the data. The world has generated zettabytes of data in the past few years, and 90% of that data has been generated in the last 2 years. And what the world is using today is only 10% of it. So the question is, how does one take advantage of all that data which is being generated day in and day out inside the organization and actually put it in use for the business? And where the companies are really hesitating or going slow is because of the spinning disk, because spinning disk, end of the day, becomes the slowest device in the overall change. So what is the market asking for today? The market is asking for speed at which they can do their business, the speed at which they can retrieve the data and use it for their business. And obviously, the underlying storage has to be very, very fast to cater to that particular speed. The market is the customers are asking for flexibility. The customers are asking for ease of use, and the customers are asking for simplicity in the way they manage their overall storage. And I'm very, very happy to announce that we are making some significant product announcements which will help customers move in this direction. So we are announcing a new DS8870, which is in the enterprise class storage. This is the high-end enterprise class storage. This is from the family of DS8000s, which we started in 2004, and this is the 7th or the 8th generation of that product. And what we're announcing now is an all-flash or a hybrid flash DS8870. Excuse me. So DS8870 has been the flagship product in the market, and as per all the public benchmarks available, like the SPC1 and the SPC2, the DS8870 was the highest performing product in the market today. And with the announcement of all flash, we are taking that performance to a very, very new level. And and in different scenarios, it is giving very, very good performance, which goes up to 4x or 10x depending upon what we are doing and the way we are looking at it. So that is one significant announcement which is happening. The other significant announcement is happening in the area of Storwize. Storwize again has been a very flagship product of IBM. We have more than 46,000 installs around the globe of this particular product. In India, we have a significant share in the mid-tier storage segment with Storwize, and we have lots of customers who use this primarily for virtualizing their environment. So people who have heterogeneous environment, have because of which there's a lot of complexity in the problem and they want to solve that. They bring in a Storwize, and all the other products can be put underneath that, which kinds of help them simplify the whole thing. It helps them virtualize their overall environment. It helps them create a data architecture which kind of future-proofs them. Derive a lot of benefits because of the software-defined storage that they're implementing in their environment. One of the key features there is, so it has all the other features which you hear about today in the market, but the key features are, one, it helps you do compression. And the compression is very, very relevant in our market, because today people are looking at how they can buy lesser storage and derive more value out of it, and compression helps them do that. So if you have a requirement of 20 terabytes, you can actually buy 10 terabyte, put compression engine on top of it, derive a full 20 terabyte value, whereas using less rack space, less energy, less cooling, those kind of stuff. And IBM guarantees the performance. IBM guarantees that, if I'm compressing, I'm guaranteeing you, one, the compression, two, I'm guaranteeing you the performance. So, that's the IBM guarantee which kind of stands behind that. And when I say Storwize family, this is applicable for both the SAN volume controller, which is the SVC engine, so that's the new big fat node, and also on the V7000. So overall, with this announcement, those product lines which were also leading in terms of performance in the market, which is also the #1 product in the mid-size segment in the market, we are taking those performance levels to very, very new level today. So those performance as per the numbers that we are seeing and what we will see in the SPC, could anywhere be between 3 to 4x kind of gains.
Which are the main industry verticals you will be targeting in India?
So this cuts across all verticals, so right from banking, telecom, health insurance, manufacturing, to the SMB customers. We have this will kind of touch upon all industries, all verticals, all segments.
Last week, IDC has lowered the global IT spending by a couple of percentage.
Mm-hmm.
Is it reflecting in India also? Or what is your view?
So I haven't seen an India-specific report in that context, but as far as India is concerned, we are very, very bullish that this market is on a growth. And as per the last IDC numbers for India, this market is expected to grow at double-digit year on year.
Okay.
And the majority of that growth is going to come from the mid-tier or the mid-range segment, and that's what makes us very, very exciting, because part of the announcement is to do with the mid-tier and the mid-segment. That's where the StoreWise really plays.
You mean mid-tier companies or the small cities?
No, the mid-tier
companies.
Yeah,
okay.
And the mid-range storage.
Okay. What are some of your plans to reach them in terms of the strategy?
So in terms of strategy, we have, a very large channel play. Okay, so 100% of our business in India is now tuned towards channel, and this was not the case a few years ago. But we have over time made sure that channel plays a very, very significant role in whatever we are doing here, and we have different levels of channel partners. We are training them very, very regularly. We have specialized partners who are at a very different skill set, and then we have partners which is the rest of the market. So we have the top 60 partner, which is kind of the specialty partners, and then we have the non-60, which kind of spreads across the entire country into all kind of metro, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 kind of cities.
Why should an enterprise CIO select an IBM storage comparing with competition? What are the USP you're offering?
Well, the features. One is, I told you, performance, right? Performance, we are the industry leader when it comes to performance, be it enterprise, be it modular, be it flash. One of the new things which we have, and the amount of innovation that we are doing in this particular space. So significant investments that we are doing in the market. So for example, from a flash perspective, IBM is investing $1 billion in doing development around flash, which is a very, very significant investment that is coming into the market. The other things we do is we call this the SIO studies. So last year alone, we have done about 800 of these studies for our most strategic and important customers, and these are all world-class IT organizations. So we go into this organization, we do a study, come back and recommend to them as to what their storage architecture should be, how they can derive value out of it and drive their data agenda. We've invested about $14 million in doing these 800 studies, and a significant amount of those studies were conducted in India as well. From a StoreWise perspective, if you look at, we have 46,000 installs today worldwide. Okay, and from that mid-range storage space, if you look at the India market, from a mid-range SAN space, we are the number one player here in the market today. And it is because of these investments that we are doing and the references that we have. We have 46,000 use cases across the globe today, where we have helped customers achieve their storage objectives using these technologies.
Okay, last question. Are you seeing any significant trend in terms of the enterprise consumption, or what are some of the growth drivers, that is, driving the sales of IBM in India, especially this year or next 1 or 2 years?
Sure. So I believe, flash is where the entire growth is going to come from. So 20 years ago, what Windows did to the industry, I think we are at an inflection point where flash will revolutionize the way people look at storage today, and by the way, in India also we are seeing a lot of success around flash. Now flash, why does it revolutionize? Now if you go back 10 years, if you look at the way the network performs today, we were talking about 10 Mbps 10 years ago, and today we are talking about multiple gigabytes. So it has gone through a phenomenal phase of performance. If you look at memory, it has moved to nanoseconds. If you look at processors, they have gone through the roof from what a 286 or a 386 processor used to be those days to the multiple core, the quad core, the 8 core kind of processing capability that we're looking at. On the disk side, what happened was the performance has not stayed along with the other technology areas that we spoke about, though the disk became denser and denser over time. And flash is completely changing that. so flash is taking it from millisecond to very low microseconds, and that is, and the other thing flash will do is it will help you compress your data centers. So in a single floor tile, today I can have a petabyte of storage which delivers a very, very high performance to the tune of 20 million IOPS. Whereas, if you were to deliver a petabyte of storage today, it probably requires 600 floor tile space today. So flash is not only helping people compress the data center, but it is also helping them derive the performance that the corporations are looking at today. If I were to give an example, if you look at a retail industry, most people today use smartphones and they order on smartphones. So 40% of the retail industry business is already moved to smartphones. Now the challenge on the smartphone is if your website doesn't load on time, chances are 50% of these customers will not come back to your website, and about 1/3 will move to your competitors. So the speed is the essence of the entire thing. And Flash delivers the promise of giving you the speed at the same time being flexible and also very simple product to use.
Would you like to sum up on the announcement as the last question here?
Yeah, so the announcement again is very, very significant. It is on three very distinctive areas. One is on the enterprise class storage, where we are announcing an all-flash 8870, which is going to deliver the higher performance in that particular class as it has always been. It has been a performance and RAS leader. When I say RAS, I mean reliability, availability, and scalability. These are the two things why our customers love the DS8000 product. So it is going to stay on that curve. It is taking the performance up by many folds in the enterprise class storage. And on the mid-size storage, we are announcing newer products on SVC and both V7000, which are again going to drive very different levels of performance. It was already the leader in that particular area, but it's going to drive phenomenally high performance levels and also bring in all the software-defined storage features. And some of those significant features are easy tier and compression.